Here's the logo for the PlayStation. I'm gonna lay it down and pull it towards me. So I got the cover off. That's what it looked like. Whole bunch of dust. So I remove the cover from the other side, the opposite side now. Say still dusty. And that's the main part, just so much dust. So I'm using, it says T8. I got the fan out.
Okay.
I already sprayed some of it, but there's the other side. Go ahead, grab the spray so y'all can spray it.
Where is it at?
On the floor right there.
Can I go, CJ? Spray?
Yeah. Go ahead and go.
Oopsie.
All right, so I got the fan back in. Well, I've got it clean. I sprayed it out. Not dusty anymore. Can't forget to spray this area out also. That's a whole bunch of buildup. Ready to come back in the PlayStation. Got the inside cleaned out. Spray a little bit more. That's the. Look. I'm gonna flip it over and spray that side again. I got the fan screwed back in, and it even looks a lot cleaner on this side. Took the other side off with the PlayStation. I'm just gonna spray this just to make sure it is clean on this side as well. PlayStation back clean. A little dust there, but no dust on the inside. So I'm gonna turn it on and we'll see what happens. PlayStation still working. How long has it been on now?
1 hour.
All right, so that's good. Hasn't cut off yet.